So what you can easily do is customize out ChatGPT as you like. So to do that, over here in the ChatGPT page right here, you can go around and click on your profile. And over here, you can see that Customize ChatGPT is an option. So it says, what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide a better response? Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, I am a programmer right here, just like this. And I want ChatGPT to respond in a certain way. Respond with a Python code for all of my prompts right here. So I just go around and change this out right here. So now I'm saying to a ChatGPT that I'm a programmer and respond with the Python code for all of my prompts. So I'm just going to go around and say save. And now what I'm going to go around and do is say, what are 3 types of fruits right here, just like this. Press enter, and now it says please issue right here. So let me just go around and refresh this out right here, just like this. And now it says what are 3 types of fruits, and it is taking my particular setting right here, and you can see that it actually printed it out as a code right here. Sometimes it does throw in an error, but that isn't a problem. So you can see that it says sure, here are 3 types of fruits. So now I'm going to go around and say, how do I add to numbers right here, just like this. And I'm just going to go around and randomly add it in, and over here you can see that it actually gives me a Python code right here without me having to add in any prompts. And that is how you can go around and pre-build a prompt right here. So now let me just go around onto new chat right here and go around, and let's say, for example, I'm going to go around onto customize right here, and I'm going to go around and say I am a script writer right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around and say generate every response as a film script format right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around and say save right here. So I'm going to go around and say tell a story about a boy eating apple right here, just like this. And I'm going to send this prompt right here, and you can see that immediately, without me having to type in anything, it gave me a film script right here in a film script format, because that is how I customize out ChatGPT. So if you want ChatGPT to behave in a certain way, then that is how it behaves right here. So let me just go around over here on to customize ChatGPT right here, and I'm going to say I'm a comedian right here, and comedian, just like this. And I'm going to go around and say generate every response as a funny joke right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around and click on save, and I'm going to go for a new chat. I'm going to say how are you, just like this. So let me just go around and add in a simple prompt right here, just like this. And it says, I'm doing great, thanks for asking, just hanging out in the digital realm. Well, the weather is always full and the conversation is never binary. How about you, keeping it real or just keeping it real, like in a digital fisherman? So you can see that it treated my prompt as a joke right here. So I'm just going to say, are you joking right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, it says, of course I'm joking. I'm like a digital jester here to sprinkle some humor into your day. So what's the punchline to your latest quest of laughter? So this is how you can let the ChatGPT behave the way you want by utilizing Customize ChatGPT feature inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.